Hello friends, this is part 2 video of data connectivity and transformation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you what is data transformation, what is Power Query Editor and its user interface. Keep watching this video. What is data transformation? In Power BI, data transformation refers to a process of cleaning, shaping and enriching raw data from various sources to make it suitable for analysis and visualization. Data transformation is a crucial step in the data preparation workflow as it ensures that the data is accurate, consistent, and structured in a way that enable meaningful insight to be delivered from data resource. So in our data set, it is not guaranteed that we have the exact value what we are going to visualize. So a data set what we receive, it may be in a kind of raw data in which incorrect formatting is there, errors, missing data or incorrect values. So with the help of transformation, cleaning, shaping, enrichment, filtering, we can convert the raw data into a accurate, structured and consistent data. The next question is, why data transformation? What is the importance of data transformation? See, when we are going to collect any data source from any client or for any of the project, it may contain some error values, some missing values, some incorrect data, some formatting issues are there. So for that, we have to perform the transformation. We have to remove the errors. We have to remove inconsistencies, add missing values. We can add a default value for all the missing values, filter accurate values only. So for that, transformation will help us. With the help of transformation, we'll get accurate, structured, consistent data for the data modeling.
What is Power Query Editor? Power Query Editor is a powerful data transformation tool integrated with the Power BI desktop application. It enables users to easily connect to various data sources, databases, etc. to perform um, transfer of data and load it into the Power BI. A data transformation and preparation engine, in short, you can say. We can do data connectivity, we can perform the transformation, we can check the step what we have followed, we can do the data profiling, and data preview also available inside the Power Query Editor. Power Query Editor user interface. This is a screenshot of Power Query Editor, and here you can easily find out. On the left you will get all the resources what you have connected, and right what all are the steps you have performed while doing transformation, and center you will get all the data saved in your data set, and you can perform the transformation over there. I'm going to explain you one by one all the things what you are getting on the header side, like home. In the home, source, recent source, enter data, etc. and transformation, add column, everything I am going to explain you. Let's jump into the tool.
Let's understand Power Query Editor. As we know, Power Query Editor is a different window inbuilt in our Power BI desktop. So this is the window overview, user interface, and one by one we'll cover all the sections what you are getting in this window. On the left side, you are getting data. This is our data source what we have connected right now. You can right click here and give few more uh, options. You can perform few more activities from here like copy, delete, rename and so many things. On right hand side, you will find out the steps applied here to making the transformation or cleaning your data set. In the below bottom, you can easily find out few more uh, data details about your data sets. And here is a button, close and apply. With the help of this button, you can load your data set into your Power BI desktop. Jump into the home. In the home menu, you are getting new source. You can add new source. You can access recent sources with which you have connected and enter data. You can enter your own tables and things externally what you want to visualize on your desktop. This is a home, and then data source setting is there. You can make changes to your path and you can edit the permissions and many more. Manage parameters. We can manage the parameters from this button. Refresh preview. If you have made any changes and you are not sure, yes, the visual what we are getting is not the correct one, you can refresh it because it is connected with your local files. Properties, advanced editor and manage. This is the related to the query. Manage column. You can make the changes with your columns. You can remove the column, you can remove other columns and so many things. We'll discuss everything one by one when we'll start working with the data sets. Keep rows, remove rows. This is the reduce rows. Sorting, you can perform the sorting on the columns. Split columns, you can split your column uh, on the basis of few criterias. We'll discuss in upcoming videos. Group by, we can perform group by task on the data set. Then data type, you can, like, I have selected date here, so it is showing the data type. If we'll select this one, it will change the data type. Okay, you can make the changes on the help of this option. Use first row as header. If you are getting something which is not um, correct as a header, then we can use the first row. Replace the value, we can replace the values. Combine, we can combine tables, performing merge and append the queries. So it is just like our joins in SQL Server and append, like performing the union activity in the SQL Server. Then text analysis uh, and version Azure machine learning you will get from here because it belongs to AI insights. Let's jump into transform. In the transform, again we will get few of the options what we are getting in the home, like group by, use first row as header, transpose, revert rows, count rows. These belongs to the column table section. Then any column related to the column, if you want to perform the activities, we have the options in this section. Then text column, if we want to perform the activity on the text inside your columns, then we have the split column, format column. We can make the changes, merge, parse. We can do these kind of activities with the help of these options. Statistics and standards, scientific things, these all are number columns. We can perform the activities on number columns. Perform any logical things on the numbers, we can do those things. Then date and time columns. If the column having date and time, then we can use these options like date, time, duration to perform the activities. Then R script and Python script is also supported by our Power BI. So we can use these scripts to perform the transformation. Now look into add column. In the add column, column form examples. With the examples, we can create your own columns, custom columns, invoke column functions. We can perform these tasks with the help of our data source when we are going to work with our data source in upcoming videos. Conditional column, index column, duplicate column, these related to the general activities with the columns. From text, these are the options: format, extract, parse, merge column. From numbers, statistics, standards, scientific, these are the options we are getting from here. From date and time, again we are getting date, time, duration. Text analysis, vision, Azure machine learning, this is the AI insight. Let's jump into the view. Formula bar, query settings, these are comes under layout. Data preview, we have these options, we can enable it and check one by one. Go to column, like this option is there which finds out the particular column. Always show option is there for the parameters. Then advanced, we have editor. Then query dependencies, we can use these things with to perform the dependencies. Dependency means splitting the tables or establish a relationship dependencies kind of things. Now we have tools. In this section, we have 4 activities what we can perform: diagnose steps, start, stop, diagnostic options, We can easily find out everything from here. Help menu will like help you to find out guided learning sections, documentations, training videos, supports about your tools, Power BI blogs, and etc. It is a similar thing what we are getting in our Power BI desktop overview section. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in upcoming videos.